Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change border color of image in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show change border color image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for drawing option. Now going to the image option. Now select for browse. Now find your image. Now for click, then click for image. Now for open. Finally now show, then we can say insert from image. Now resize your image the border, add border. Now going to the border widget option, then click for a 12px. Now change the color. Now going to the border color option, then choose color. Now select from color. Click for OK. Now click for save and close option. That's it. Then again another color format. Now for sense, now click for three dot option. Now click for edit option. Now click for image. Now click for border color option. Then click for any source color. Now click for save and close option. That's it. Then you show change border color of image in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.